Chelsy Davy's lawsuit against Prince Harry, a royal showdown. A shocking legal battle has erupted in the British royal sphere, and this time, it's not the tabloids at war with Prince Harry. Chelsy Davy, his former longtime girlfriend, has filed a lawsuit against the Duke of Sussex, accusing him of making false statements about her in court. In a move that has stunned royal watchers and legal experts alike, Davy is taking on one of the most high-profile figures in the world, an unprecedented step that could change everything. But what exactly did Prince Harry say that led to this legal bombshell? And why has Chelsy, who has stayed largely out of the public eye since their breakup in 2011, decided to take such drastic action now? The lawsuit stems from Prince Harry's ongoing legal battle against media intrusion, a fight that has defined much of his recent public life. As part of his testimony, Harry made claims about the media's impact on his past relationships, including his tumultuous romance with Chelsy Davy. But according to Davy, those statements were not just misleading, they were outright false. For years, Davy had to endure the relentless scrutiny of the press during her 7-year on-and-off relationship with Harry. She was chased by paparazzi, her phone was allegedly hacked, and her private life became tabloid fodder. The pressure was unbearable, and it was one of the reasons she ultimately walked away from royal life. But now, more than a decade later, Chelsy Davy has found herself dragged back into the chaos. She argues that Harry's statements have misrepresented her experiences and, worse, damaged her reputation. Unlike before, when she had no choice but to endure the media storm, she's now fighting back, this time in a courtroom. Suing a royal is almost unheard of. The British monarchy operates under an invisible shield of legal and social protection, and lawsuits against its members are rare. But Chelsy is not backing down. She has built a successful career as a businesswoman, far removed from her past as Harry's girlfriend, and she refuses to let misinformation from her former partner jeopardize everything she has worked for. But this legal battle doesn't just impact Chelsy Davy. It raises serious questions about Prince Harry's credibility. For years, he has positioned himself as a crusader for truth, a man fighting against the very forces that once invaded his life. But if his own words are now being challenged as false, does that weaken his entire case against the press? Moreover, what does this lawsuit mean for the royals? If Davy wins, this could set a precedent that even members of the royal family can be held legally accountable for their statements, whether made in court or in public. And then, there's the irony of it all. Prince Harry has spent the last few years speaking out against media intrusion, yet here he is, at the center of yet another high-profile legal dispute that guarantees more headlines, more speculation, and more public scrutiny, not just for himself, but for Chelsy Davy too. Could this be the moment where Harry's public fight for justice takes an unexpected turn? Or will Chelsy Davy's lawsuit expose deeper cracks in his version of events? One thing is certain. This battle is just beginning, and its outcome could change the rules for the royal family forever.